Unlock the full potential of your humble Costco rotisserie chicken with these simple techniques and delicious recipe ideas for quick, easy, and affordable meals. First, let's talk carving. Let your chicken cool for about 10-15 minutes for easier handling. Start by slicing off the leg and thigh quarter, then run your knife along the breastbone to separate the breast meat from the carcass. For the leg and thigh, find the joint where it connects to the body and pull to expose it. Then slice through to remove it. This makes shredding or dicing simple. Now, for those succulent breast pieces, carefully pull the meat away from the bone and shred or dice it depending on your recipe. You can use forks or even your hands to quickly pull the meat apart. Leftovers are your best friend. Store any remaining cooked chicken in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 34 days, or freeze it for longer storage. Separate shredded meat from deboned pieces for easier meal prep later. Now, the fun part: recipes. It's the perfect base for quick chicken salad sandwiches, loaded chicken tacos, or tossed into a creamy pasta dish. Need a speedy stir-fry? Add your shredded chicken to a pan with your favorite veggies and favorite stir-fry sauce for a complete meal in minutes. Or, elevate a simple baked potato by topping it with warm shredded chicken, cheese, and your favorite fixings. From weeknight dinners to convenient lunches, your Costco rotisserie chicken is a versatile powerhouse. Enjoy.